Hey, I'm back. I got this crochet kit from Crochet. Hello from Crochet. And it is a frog. And they sent me 2 kits, but you're going to have to wait to see the other one. All right, as always, I am always excited to open up a crochet craft kit because that means I'm getting a new hook. There is always a new hook. Oh, good luck. And ooh, 2 hooks. That is a plus. I love 2 hooks. And they are 4 millimeters. So yes. And I like these too. I like getting these too. These are nice. This is my 3rd pair. Here's some eyes. It's gonna be some frog eyes. A good tapestry needle. Typically get these. I typically get these. So yes, this is a worth it craft kit. And some stitch markers. 5 stitch markers. And some yarn. Black yarn. Red yarn, and this is some test yarn. Nice. I haven't gotten any test yarn in a package either. I'm trying to make sure you guys could see that with my umbrella lights. So test yarn plus white yarn. These are too cute. Some green yarn and some fiber fill, and of course the pattern booklet. There is a video instruction, basic stitch tutorial, step-by-step tutorial, detailed instruction, and videos. So you can, I'm pretty sure there's a QR code in here. And these are so cute. So this is this is the instruction. This is the pattern book for the patterns. This is the glossary. So everything you need. What hooks to use, abbreviations, what hooks to use. I wish I would have gotten this crochet kit before I got started. I just hopped right into it and started watching YouTube videos that show you how to hold your yarn. That's nice. Oh yes, a lot of pro tips. How to hold your yarn, how your stitches should look. This is really awesome. I've never gotten a very detailed book as this, and I really like it because it gives you like that cartoon feel, and that's a plus. So I'm excited. I'm ready to jump into this. So I'll be back when I make it. Hey, I am back. I was able to make the frog. See, they are very similar. I was pretty close. Okay, so my review. The eyes. These were difficult to put in, but I don't think that's a big deal because you can always make your own eyes with felt and glue them on. It should be fine. That's really only the biggest issue I had. And I forgot to let you guys know I am dyslexic and I have ADHD. So the video, trust your gut with the video. I always like video instructions. It's kind of hard for me to read written tutorials, but yeah, so this is really good for beginners. The other thing I like to add is I'm still working on my tension, holding my yarn and everything. So I'm not that far from not being a beginner as you may be, but this was really fun to make. Now I can't wait to make this. This is the other thing from Crochet is this. So the next thing I get to make is this. So hang out for the next video. We are so excited. Catch you guys in the next video.